Hello and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a 100 word per minute Q&A edited for privacy. Remember at the end of the take to go back over your notes so you can check your accuracy. When my hand is up, it's a question. When my hand is down, it's an answer. Okay, and we'll begin. Okay, Mr. Gates, would you agree that this policy of insurance provides coverage for wind damages subject to certain exclusions and exceptions? Yes. Okay, so if there was any hurricane damage that occurred from Hurricane Irma, it would be covered under this policy of insurance unless it was specifically excluded. That is correct. Okay, and who drafted this policy of insurance? I don't have any knowledge of that. I mean, it's an agent. I guess the agent works with Florida and the insured and underwriting. Okay, so would you agree that the insured, George Burns, would not have been the person who drafted this policy? That's correct. Okay, and what is if the property sustained damage to the structure itself, for instance, to the roof during Hurricane Irma, what would be the policy limit for those types of damages under this policy? $232,500. And is there a deductible in this policy for hurricane damage? For hurricane, it's 2%. In this case, it's $4,650. Okay, now if you look towards the top of the declarations page, and maybe you can see my cursor here, right? You see it says transaction, and then it says amended declarations. What does that mean? I couldn't answer that. Okay, so does that mean, do you know if that, I don't want to guess, but from my knowledge, it means there was some kind of change. Something was changed, but I'm not knowledgeable of that, and it shows an effective date. And it shows an effective date of 3/13/2017, so that occurred after the policy was enforced. Fair enough. Do you know if this was a new policy of insurance, or was this a policy of insurance that had been renewed from a previous year? That -2 under the policy means this is the second year. Mr. Gates, do you know if anything was done prior to the renewal of the policy? No, that's outside my scope of my position on either job, whether as a corporate rep or as a lit specialist. As counsel just said, that's an underwriting function. Okay, does Florida suspect that the homeowner committed any fraud on the application for the renewal of this policy? No, not to my knowledge. And to the best of your knowledge, Florida is not trying to seek rescission of the insurance policy, correct? Not to my knowledge. Again, that would be an underwriting position. All right. So let's talk about the claim itself. Okay. When was the claim first reported to Florida? July 5th of 2018. And who reported the loss to Florida? It came from the PA's office from Roger Villa. Okay, and after Mr. Villa or Roger Villa, PA, provided first notice of the loss, what happened next, if anything, on Florida's side of the claim? It was assigned to the field adjuster, Nikki Slab. Okay, that's the end of this take. Don't forget to review your notes so you can see your accuracy.